Yo, what is up guys? It's Ipe, back at again with another unboxing video. It was just supposed to be a Supreme unboxing, but unexpectedly I actually got 2 more packages, so I hope you guys are excited for that. One is from, I actually don't know, I don't remember what I got, and the other one is from Golf Wing, so that is super exciting because oftentimes they take quite a long time to ship. I don't even know where to start off guys, but I think the best choice is to save the best for last, and I believe that is the Supreme Nike NBA Air Force 1 mids. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with you know what, we're gonna go with the unexpected one, or the one I don't know. I don't know what I bought where someone would need to send me a huge package. Sounds like shoes. Oh, I think they're Vans. Honestly don't get why the person didn't just ship it like this. They could have saved so much more money. Oh damn, these are sick. These are the Vans FA collabs. You guys can't really see it. This is a cream colorway with like a blue line. I only wear Nikes, as you guys can see. All I wear are Nikes, and these are Adidas. I'm trying to sell these, but these are like limited edition. You guys will see that in a future unboxing video. Just because I don't have as much time to edit all my vlogs, I'm really sorry. And you know, these videos gotta go up on a schedule because it'd be really weird to upload a week 1 live cop when people are uploading week 4, you know what I'm saying? I'm planning on reselling these because I think these are super sick and I don't wear Vans, but there is a chance I might just keep them just to wear. These are brand new too, so it's insane. And I've been really liking FA a lot lately because I really think it's cool when like a board company can get an audience or customers or non-skaters, and I truly back that. And if you guys aren't already following me on my Instagram account where I sell streetwear brands, skate apparel, and thrifted goods, follow me on Instagram at HighPay. I sell a lot of stuff, a lot of good deals in my opinion as well. Because there's a lot in the Golf Wing, I'm gonna just go back and forth like Supreme and then blah blah blah. I wonder what stickers I'm gonna get today. The camera stopped recording when I reacted to it, but yes, got the school box logo again. It does have a little crease, but I'm so stoked, you guys. Shout out to the person who wanted to give me one, but I had to meet up with them, so that didn't work out. School box logo, chair sticker. I might do like a raffle on these stickers or a giveaway, so follow me on Instagram at HighPay. And then the dinner sticker. I'm trying to sell this jacket. There's way too many people who flaked on this jacket. It's super sick, but it is not my size. It's a size medium. It is the reflective taping nylon hooded pullover, and this is 3M reflective, so yeah, it's super dope. It was pretty expensive, so I do need to sell that. I need some more Hypebeast followers on that page, so yeah, make sure you guys follow that page because I don't think a lot of my OG viewers are into Supreme, so like I think most people will think it's crazy when I sell a shirt for like 100 or something because they don't get that. But anyways, we got the golf package. It fits so many shirts into this one package. A lot of people were upset that I was reselling golf shirts, but the thing is, a lot of the cooler shirts were sold out, so I'm actually kind of bummed because I actually wanted the white multicolored 3D t-shirt and I couldn't get them. Am I missing a few? I don't even remember ordering all this. I'm definitely keeping one of these at least just because I feel weird just buying everything just for resale. Got this one in a size medium. Like these ones actually sold out, so like it makes sense to sell them again. Oh, the heck? Oh dude, they totally screwed up my order. I did not order this shirt, I swear. That is so lame. Yeah, they totally screwed up my order. They totally screwed up my order. What the fuck? I did not order this colorway. I don't even remember ordering this shirt. I feel like I ordered 3 of these, which is so lame. Fuck, what the fuck? Because I know I ordered a navy one for myself just because I thought it was super sick and I was so bummed that I couldn't get it last time. And we got this one. And then we got another of this one, size medium. So yeah, probably just gonna resell all those. If you guys get mad, fuck it. Man, I was looking forward to wearing some of those. Okay, so now I know why I was pissed. It's that they forgot my order. That's what happened. Oh my god, I'm so freaking bummed right now because I knew I ordered this one in blue. I don't know if they can do anything about it, so I just sent an email to Golf Wing, so I hope they get back to me. Freaking hate it when that happens. I kind of felt like that was gonna happen just because I ordered so many, and because it's such a big company, I feel like they won't get back to me, which sucks. I've never ordered Nike sneakers, and this box is interesting. I already did sell these. Oh my god, this looks crazy. I feel like I got lowballed on these, but I don't really care. They look kind of alright. They're not U to the G to the L to the Y ugly. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like I would actually... Nah, I wouldn't wear these. I don't. Nah, these are kind of cool though, but just not for me. I really like them just because I'm from California and I'm not a big fan of Lakers or anything, but you know, Lakers are the basketball team that I will support if I were to ever enjoy basketball. So I really liked this pair, specifically the left one compared to the right one. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. So yeah, I actually did film a live cop video, so you guys are about to see that right now. And I want you guys to comment below if you guys like seeing the whole live cop raw, like without editing, like fast forward or anything. Because if I put it in fast motion, you guys wouldn't know how long it actually took me, you know what I mean? But I do have to edit it because my camera does stop recording a lot. So yeah, I'd like to know. So yeah, now enjoy the live cop. Welcome back to the second part of the video. Today we are doing another live cop. Today is week 4. I think this is one of the best drops ever. I don't really know much about Public Enemy, so I'm probably just gonna get that just to resell. Yeah, it's really hard to decide which to get first. And one of my favorite shirts from Supreme is the Ringer tee. Because it's not that hyped, I feel like I could cop it after I get all the Public Enemy stuff that I do want to get. I also think the bar stripe tee is super sick, but I'm not gonna get that. One of my favorite shirts from this drop is actually the Dazzle warm-up top. I really want to get the red one for my personal, but it's 110 and I don't know if I'm down to drop $110 on a shirt. Okay guys, I was just looking at the Supreme Europe drop times. The warm-up top went by really quick, so I feel like I might have to get that for myself first actually. It might even be really good for resale. That's why I think I might just have to get that. Just because for the Europe time, the Public Enemy stuff didn't sell out as quick. Some of the stuff took like 2 minutes, so that's why it might not even be worth it to get Public Enemy. But then again, it might not even be as hyped in Europe just because that hip-hop culture might not be as popular, you know, because I don't really know about it, but it might just be a popular thing in America. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright guys, there's 45 seconds left and I'm actually really nervous just because I just feel like everything is too hyped in America. While the Europe sell times, it didn't go by too quick. Oh my gosh, my battery's dying. Holy crap, I only have 10 seconds left and I'm just not ready. Oh my god, this is stupid. Oh shit, it started. Oh no, it's lagging, it's lagging. Come on, fam. And nothing is showing up. Oh, there we go. Oh, what? It's already gone. I think I'm too slow, guys. Okay, I think I fucked up. I think, oh my god. Dude, I think I'm taking the L, fuck. Oh my god, I'm definitely taking the L. Fuck. Oh my god. Yep, I'm definitely taking the L. I fucked up, I fucked up. Ah, why did I do that? Get one. Fuck. No, I'm just gonna try to get one. Why is it gonna take so fucking damn long? Okay, I could get the Ringer tee. Oh my god, it just sold out on me like that. I can't believe the battery's dying on this shit too. Oh my god, I can't believe, oh my god, there's still time. The process. Okay, I was able to get that. And my camera has to stop recording every single freaking time. And I can't believe this battery isn't charged either. Fuck. Really hope I got the White House tee. That's probably like the most hyped shirt. It looks like the Public Enemy tee isn't selling out as fast. But I couldn't get the Dazzle warm-up top. It's because I went for that. I took longer. And I had a late start because I was switching the battery. Yeah, the Ringer tee isn't even going out of stock. I think just all the smalls sold out just because those are harder to get and it's easier to make more money off that just because there's not as much stock. And I wear a size small, so it really does suck for me. I don't even know if they had a size small in the warm-up top because I really wanted it, so that's why I went for that first actually. I was like, you know what? Changed my mind and I was like, I'm actually gonna buy something for myself this time. Holy crap, the process payment is taking forever. It's been 4 minutes. I really hope I got it. I'm honestly thinking I'm taking it out just because it's already sold out. I wish Supreme could just tell me it's already sold out so I can just buy a different shirt. I haven't gotten a confirmation email from the first shirt either, so I guess I was just waiting for nothing because nothing is showing up. It's not the biggest L just because at least I hope I got one thing. I have not gotten a confirmation email, so hopefully it worked out. My camera is dying, guys, but yeah, it wasn't 100% L, but I didn't get anything I really wanted, so that sucked. And again, I probably won't wear this just because I don't really know anything about Undercover or Public Enemy besides it's about like music. So yeah, guys, I kept doing live cops like you guys told me to, and I've actually been really enjoying them. It's been getting a lot of views compared to my other videos, which is kind of sad, but it's also super dope just because I put way more effort into the other videos, so make sure you guys go check those out. But yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe, that always helps. Thanks, yo. Peace out.